Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from Kraken to Bitmart in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or a seasoned trader optimizing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, ensure you have verified accounts on both Kraken and Bitmart. This is crucial for security and to avoid any delays. You'll also need a balance of USDT in your Kraken wallet. Double-check that everything is set up, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account and head to the Withdraw section. Select USDT from the list of assets. Now, you might be wondering, what's next? Well, you'll need the deposit address from Bitmart. Step 2. Switch over to Bitmart, log in, and navigate to the Deposit page. Choose USDT and make sure you're using the correct network, such as Tron or Ethereum, to match what Kraken supports. Copy that deposit address carefully, it's your key to a successful transfer. Step 3. Back on Kraken, paste the Bitmart deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, review all the details, and confirm the transaction. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already, it's a game changer for security. Step 4. Once confirmed, the transfer will process on the blockchain. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitmart account by checking the deposit history to see when your USDT arrives. A quick word of advice: always verify addresses to prevent losses. Be mindful of transaction fees, and never rush the process. Crypto can be volatile, so stay informed. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Kraken to Bitmart in 2025. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.